Good morning, my Prepper Posse. Yeah, this morning I was sitting at the table drinking my coffee and a bird got in the window. So I opened the hatch and opened everything up, and I don't know where it is. I didn't see it fly out yet. I tell you, you never know who's coming in. I've looked and I don't hear him, but I don't think he got out yet. I knew he was hiding somewhere. He's gonna... He's in here. I have company. We have company this morning in the bus. I have all the windows open. Oh, come on now. You gotta come back in the back. Well, I'm glad you're happy to come in and visit with me a little bit. It's adorable. I hope you can come out. Hi, baby. He went. Yay! Okay. Good morning. Don't forget to play. See you.